Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial on shops and tools you need for them. You must have at least one router in a wood shop. It makes life so much better. I personally have three. I have a 1/4 inch and then I have these 2 1/2 inches. 1/4 inch I almost never use anymore because it's not nearly as accurate nor powerful. They're going to run you a couple $100 for 1/2 inch though. What do I mean by 1/2 inch? It's this part right here. This is 1/2 inch. 1/4 inch. They're half of that. They're only 1/4 inch. This is the shaft or shank of the bit. This personal bit is a straight bit. Ooh, I gotta hold it down where you can see it. It's straight. It goes straight up and down. They're one of the ones you're going to use the most. This is a round over bit, quite useful as well. I use this all the time. They come in different sizes. So do the straight bits. And this is a dovetail bit. It is also quite useful if you're making furniture. Quite useful. Or good work. It keeps things together. It's like a key. All right. This one is a plunge router. Goes up and down. This one don't go up and down. You press all you want. You can go up and down. You have to adjust something down with this lever and do some other stuff. Now this is my table saw wing. That's where this one's going to get mounted. Except this will be underneath. And this part is going to be up. This will be up. And the bit goes right there. And I have a little adjustment screw thingy bob. I got to drill a hole in that cast iron wing of the table saw, and I'll be able to adjust it from above. It'll make life so much better because it was a total pain adjusting it with this thing. It's one I own forever. Routers are super handy, like I say. I use them all the time when I'm building. This board right here came from the factory, routed on these 2 edges, rounded over. This edge, I split this board in half, and it's sharp. It's not fun to hold. Those are tent poles out there, and they're holding up my tarps on either side of my building, my studio. And they're not fun to touch because I haven't routed them. I just got this booger, and I'm going to mount it and do all that stuff inside. Just have it set up and be done. Make nice tent poles. Also, when I'm routing boards and edges in my studios and things like that, it'll make it so much easier. This will just be for handheld stuff, and this will be for my table. This is actually a fence. It moves back and forth. It's my table saw fence, but it's also, now, I always attach thing on there so I don't tear this thing up, my router fence. Makes life so much better. Highly recommend you get a wing for your table saw. I like cast iron. It does have to have rust protection. You got to be careful about that. But it is quieter and heavier, so it doesn't bounce around, doesn't vibrate as much. It makes your work a little more accurate, and it's a little safer. So I highly recommend that as well. You have a great day. I hope you learned a little bit about routers. And I'll do a demo one of these days with actually using them. They're so obnoxiously loud. It's amazing. So, happy trails, and look on that bright side.